Here's how to knit a cable 6 in the front. First, slip the first 3 stitches onto a cable needle or a spare needle and hold them in the front of your work. Then knit the next 3 stitches from your left needle. And finally knit the 3 stitches from your cable or spare needle. Now let's take a closer and slower look. Slip 3 stitches onto a cable needle and hold them in the front of your work. Knit 3 stitches from your left needle. And finally knit the 3 stitches from your cable needle. And you're done. Bye!